Hello, bloggers and Show It users. My name is Susanna. I'm a photographer who loves SEO. You can see my wedding work at susannaweddings.com and my family photography at susannaphoto.com. May as well tell you, Susanna is spelled Sussannah. Anyway, I am here today to quickly share with you a problem that I kept having. The back end of my blog post in WordPress were getting pretty messy. The columns were long and skinny. I couldn't read text. I've had many a website in my day, and this has been a problem. Fortunately, it is a super easy fix. All you got to do is go to Screen Options and select the columns you want from this list. Of course, your columns might be different depending on what plugins you have, what you have activated in your website or blog's backend. So I don't need the author, it's just me. I'm going to keep categories. I'm going to keep tags. Don't care about stats, don't care about comments, don't care about rocket insights. I'm going to leave the date. I don't care about SEO score and readability. I'm going to keep SEO title. I'm going to get rid of the meta description. And I'm going to keep the key phrase and keep the links. And then I am going to hit compact view. And once you choose the columns that you want and your view, I suggest compact. I hit apply. Ta-da, it is nice and tidy. Now, this is my new wedding website. Normally, you would have 20 blog posts per the screen options, but I am just starting this site. I am transitioning my weddings from my family site to its own standalone site. Anyway, this is a simple fix. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and get blogging.